Baboons belong to the family Cercopithecidae, which is also known as the Old World monkeys. Baboons are highly social animals that live in groups known as troops. Troops can vary in size from a few individuals to more than 100 members. There are 5 species of baboons: olive baboon, yellow baboon, chacma baboon, Guinea baboon, and Hamadryas baboon. Baboons are omnivores, meaning they have a varied diet that includes both plant and animal matter. They eat fruits, leaves, seeds, insects, small mammals, and even scavenged food when available. Baboons are characterized by their powerful jaws and sharp canine teeth. They have a dog-like muzzle and a relatively hairless face.